Hello guys, today I'll tell you how to download films from Utorrent. First of all, you have to download the Utorrent software. Just go to Google and type download Utorrent and then go to Utorrent's main site. After going there, go and click on this download button. You can see the version, and I don't like beta because of some errors, but Utorrent stable is much more better. After that, this will come. Just save this file. I have already saved it and also installed it. After installing it, the app will software icon will appear here. After that, if you have to download any film, for example, I'll try to download The Nun, which is a very latest movie, and it has only been 1 week or something like that. Just go to Google and just type in download The Nun or any film name, then type Utorrent. After like that, always read this what's written under this main heading. Means it's written here Metro Live. The T means most of these like this doesn't work. So after trying to download many of these sites, we have found out one thing, most of which contains the HTTP. Look here, torrents. Here also you can see ETV torrents. Like these sites can be much more easier to download these films. Yes, just before making this film, I just searched for this and I found this site for downloading The Nun. And before going to these sites, you must download or add a VPN to your browser. Now I have added a VPN called this Hotspot Shield. I like this because it's free, and one more thing is that it does the work quite nicely. So I like the way which it does. You can download it just by, if it's your Mozilla or something, just go to your Google and just type in add hotspot shield 2. If it is your Firefox, then select this Chrome, select this Opera. Like this, you can select any of this and then just add it to your browser. Mine is Firefox, so I added it over here. Then just on it. And one more thing, when you on it, it will ask you to pay and start it. But just below that, you can get that. I'll show you. Like that. I forgot where is it. It will show. Or continue without payment. Just click on continue without payment and use it for free. Means I'm going to download The Nun. After that, in search sites, means it's written here, do not download torrents without a VPN. That's why I am using a Hotspot Shield. It's a good VPN. You must have a VPN, otherwise this site and all won't pop up either. Then look, just click on and downloading 1080 pixel. I clicked on download now. In Utorrent, what we mainly do is download the torrent. There's a small type of torrent downloading type file. I'll show you one example. So I tried to download FIFA game some days before. I think so it's there in this. Yeah, this is a type of this was sleeping dogs which I tried, but it didn't work properly. I'll try to install it again, and I'll try to put the video how to download the sleeping dogs by latest, as my exams and all are on, so it will take some time. This other one, first option is to download such files and just double click it, then the Utorrent app will open up. Otherwise you can magnet it. I'll show you. Sorry, this is not the site. Yes, most of these show your status unsafe like this, just because they want us to use their type of VPN to work properly. But hotspot is enough, so just go back. So that's nice. Yeah. Here's a site. Then no need for this one. Well, we can just try this. Loading. Look, this is a download magnet link. This is what I told you. You can magnet this. I think this is a magneting software. Look, this when I click this, it's written here magnet. Then choose a Utorrent software. Then open link. Run. And my Utorrent app just popped up, and it's saying the size is 1.13 GB. I have 45 GB left in my hard drive. So then you can see the name over here, then just click on OK, and the downloading will start. I tried to download FIFA, but it was a fail as didn't work properly. Just pause it. Sorry. I'll stop this. Already downloaded 20 GB out of. I downloaded it in another computer and tried it, but it didn't work properly. So I'm going to start this. Start. It's started downloading. So only one problem that I have faced in this Utorrent is that it doesn't go above the speed of its maximum speed I have ever seen is 4 MB per second. It has not gone above that 4 MB per second. Don't know why. Here so you can see just the starting it had just almost 1.5 MB per second. Just start this also. Simply then the speed will increase. Oh, yeah, but I don't know why the speed is not increasing. Look, just see over here, you just go to 400, not 400, 4000 or something, and it won't even reach 5000. Look, 4018, and it's stuck over there. And you can see the graph is falling down. So it has went a maximum of 4 MB per second speed. Then just this is what I don't like about Utorrent. Info queued. That is a problem. Means queue up. First, give the priority to this one. Just pause this for a second. I will show you when the downloading finishes. Just read this. If there's any change, it's a real video and I won't upload any fake videos. But this will take some time, so I'm not just pausing the video, and I'll show it to you when almost 1 GB is downloaded. Now 25 MB is downloaded. Now my download is almost completed. It has been 1000 and my download speed is 3.6. Just 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, just 30 seconds. There's another way also for downloading films from Utorrent, but I can't show you that in this video because it shall be a very long video. I don't want to make it more than 20 minutes, so like that video. And also that it's because it's hard to edit long videos. I will show you that method in another video. First, let this finish downloading. Okay, so let's just dip. 11, 10, 4. Just going to finish now. It has been finished, so you can see here fully downloaded. So after that, just pause it, otherwise it will just eat up your I'll just keep this to download. Okay, then go to your downloads, then you can see the none, the same thing what it look, the none 17 the none 2018 720, same thing is written here. I'll just open this and I'll just play that video and show it to you. Means look, you can see the video.
The Bible is God's love letter to us. Yes. They aren't in the Bible either.
If you have seen this film, you can understand. I'll just mute this so that you can hear what I'm saying. There's the film none. There's a proof for that. I have downloaded this film. Look. Isn't this the horror scene in the last? If you guys have seen this film, you must be knowing this. Look, it's a part of the. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like my channel and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like my videos, as this can promote me. Please subscribe my channel. And one more thing, don't be so cruel. Means one of my videos got 216 views, but it only had some 8 thumbs up. That's what I didn't like. Please give at least this video, please give at least 40 or at least 20 likes. Thanks for watching.